Hi, this is Andrew from inndox. I'm going to show you the inndox way of creating equivalent to subfolders. Okay, how we do it is you go down to your list of folders, and let's say you want to create some subcategories for STRAM group. Okay, what we're going to do is start by numbering. So we've got 0.1.0. Okay, so let's add now another folder sitting underneath this. So what we're going to do is create a new folder and call it 01.1 and then name the folder what we want. So we go up to add folder up here, simply add folder 01.1 and we'll call it STRAM group. So it's got the same naming and we'll call it site meeting minutes. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory, so no need to go into it for a description. Add the folder. Now, that will appear at the bottom here. So to bring it up to the top, we need to just refresh the page, and it brings it back up to the top in here. So the numbering convention is there. Let's say you need to add yet another folder, and this one might be called, say, for example, reports. So what we're going to do here is create another folder. We look at the last number, 01.1, so we'll make the next one 01.2. Go up to here, the action dots, add folder, 01.2. STRAM group. And this one, we're going to call it structural commissioning reports, for example, and we'll add that folder. Aha, we went too long on the name, more than 50 characters. Good to know. So we'll just call them structural reports. Add folder. There we go. Now again, can't see it straight away. It's dropped to the bottom, and we have to remember each time to refresh. Refresh the screen, and there it is. You've got your naming, your convention is there. So you know this is grouped as STRAM group and the different types here. And for your clients and for yourself, you can always use an ability to search by file name. So you can search by, for example, STRAM, and then conduct a search, and then it will bring those folders there when you do a search. So you can use that function later, and that's how you can find things relating to that topic within inndox. Cool. Thank you for watching.